video. Today I am playing some Roblox. It's been a long time. Well, actually, I just made a video, but I published it just now because a long time before I thought it was already published, but apparently it wasn't. So I just did it now. So yeah, here we go. And I'm gonna play some Bee Swarm Simulator. Maybe switch it up a little bit. Because last time I made a video that couldn't get published because my audio wasn't working. But I highly doubt that it's not working right now, so I'm pretty sure it's working. I hope and pretty sure. Yeah, see, my audio is going up right here. Hello! And it's high and stuff like that. And also you can see my screen. So let's see. Hopefully it's working. I hope I can actually edit too. Okay. So, what I did while I was gone, well, not while I was gone, while I was recording, but I couldn't technically record my audio, was, well, I claimed my hive, got my basic bee, I went over there and to Black Rail, and he gave me some, am I gonna sneeze? No, okay. And he just gave me some stuff to do over here. And I finished it, and then I went back to him, and it says 250 dandelion field, and this is the stuff that I field. But, as you can see, at the end of it, well, I got this bonding with bees, is from Mother Whale, the new update. And that's 100 honey to get that, my build. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna see how glitchy it is. This is why that I changed videos, or not videos, games. But if you guys want me to play this more, just hit that like button and comment down below. Be like, I want to see more of this game. Yeah. If you guys just hold that dolphin noise, it was my water bottle. So yeah. Also, apparently there's levels on bugs now. Because I went over there and there's a ladybug and it said level 1 and it was so glitchy that I couldn't jump on these. It's still really glitchy. I was mad because even when I'm not moving, it's still taking forever for my bee to move or royal jellies. Is that flying? What's going on over there? Huh. But I'm dealing with my dandelion indeed. So, I gotta get 5 treats to my bees, but like I said, I'm gonna do that after I do the, am I gonna make it? I made it, okay. Next one, Super Glitch Adventure. See how Ladybug's level 1. Well, my bee's level 2. So, die, potato, oh, Ladybug. A ladybug's always female because it's weird because it's named Lady, so I think it's a lady. Ah, dang it. 1. I can't really win because it's so glitchy. Don't kill me. Hey. Hey, what is this? Don't think I've seen this either. It's right next to the egg thing. Come on, I shouldn't take an hour and walk over there. Spend 1 ticket! Oh. Do I have a ticket? That's it, instant honey. I think I just used my only ticket. You know, that wasn't really worth it. Whoa. That face though. Okay. Well, I'll try to find another game for this video to actually find a game that can actually get me able to walk. You know, because I can't walk right now. Yeah. Just can't walk. You guys want me to play Project Pokemon, Bee Swarm Simulator, or just comment down below what you guys want me to see or play. And some of the games that are like really fast, I might not be able to do because the way this is going now, and it's still really glitchy. Yeah. Nice job. Here's a reward. Come talk to me again when you're ready for another quest. I'm ready. Oh, bees amazing. Cool. They collect pollen, make honey, and even defend you from attackers. But did you know some bees are even more amazing than others? There are 4 classes of bees: basic, rare, epic, and legendary. Basic bees all look at and act the same, but there are different types of rares, epics, and legendaries. And those all have special abilities. Some of them are faster or stronger. Some of them even create tokens that give you special boosts. Those bees are pretty hard to get in basic eggs. But a silver egg has a guaranteed chance to be at least a rare. Well, last time I got a ninja bee on my basic egg, I'm pretty sure. But don't expect it to be easy. First, collect 500 pollen. Okay. Actually, first I'm gonna go get another egg. Yeah, hope I don't get another basic bee, but yeah. I need a royal jelly too. Up there. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna go over there. Okay, open shop. Oh, why am I still walking? Oh, okay. Well, glitches. I'm moving my mouse right now. Okay, bye. Now it's $2,500. Well, money isn't my thing, cause I don't got that much money. Quest. Pollen fetcher. Yes. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go to my eggs, and I'm gonna put basic egg white there on the bottom. Yep, just another basic bee. Hey, what I'm trying to do? Raise a bee to level 3, raise 2 bees to level 2, feed 5 treats to your bees. Okay, just in general. So let's get this treat up. Let's get this treat to this bee. There you go. How many treats will you give to basic bee? 1. There you go, basic bee is level 2. And now I'm gonna look at one quest, well not quest, but that one poach of the quest. Feed 5 treats to your bees. Raise a bee to level 3. Okay. I'll do that to my original. Okay. Oh. They're not leveled up? 41 out of 50. Jeez. It's gonna take a while. Energy's 22. That was 11:46. 4 seconds. Convert 75 to 4 seconds. Okay. Well, my next quest is to go up there. Well, my own quest. I made it up. Ouch. These headphones are, where is the microphone? Okay. So I got a scoople, but I'm gonna see what the quest is right now. Just 500 pollen, right? Just 500 pollen in general. Okay. 500 pollen in general. Click, 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 click. Go to Nickelodeon. Try to make it faster. Oh my goodness. How long does it take to walk across flowers? Is it like every flower is like another mile to this guy? I already collected 165, so I don't think I'll be able to collect that much. But I gotta talk to that guy, but I don't have 5 yet because I just started. Okay, I'm not a noob. I've played this before. I've got to the 15 mile. Oh my goodness. How long does it take to climb a really big ladder? Not tall, just big. Okay, I'm gonna talk to that guy. Oh my goodness. There's ladybugs level 2 and Lana Beetle level 2. Okay! Alright, level 2's over here. I wonder how much leveled the mantis is. You know, in level 10. Whoa, what's going on? Alright. Defeated Rhino Beetle. 1+ battle point. Oh yes. Also, these badges. They give you tickets. I'm not even close to getting these. Oh my goodness. Closest one is probably quest badge. Because I don't think I'm getting 1 million honey really soon. Talk to Brownbow. Hey there, I'm Brownbow. You ever heard of royal jelly? It's a special food type. Food that changes a bee's type. The greater thing is the new type will always be a rare, epic, or legendary. Well, I happen to have a lot of royal jelly. Don't ask me how I got it. And if you complete my quest, I'll give you some. I'll only give you 1 quest a day, though. Come talk to me again whenever you're ready for a quest. Today, I'm getting a quest. Welcome back. You ready for a new daily quest? Complete it, and I'll give you a jar of royal jelly and a ticket. Check your quest menu to see today's task. Okay. Let's see. Collect 5,000 pollen from the sunflower shield. 5,000. That's a lot. Okay, is there any other way I could get some? The only way I would think of getting it, or getting my royal jelly right now, is doing that mushroom task. Oh, there's one on the dandelion and one right there, up there, but I don't think I can get up there. There's a scoot up there. That is so. I remember being up there, and I must be part of the update then. Well, right now, I'm just gonna go and put my pollen and convert it into honey. Okay, I need 6 tickets to use the royal jelly. So 6 tickets equals 1 royal jelly. That's all really expensive. No! I need the other side. Please, it makes it way easier. Well, if I can, because I'm using a new tool called OBS, if I can, I will cut this out and make it easier and faster to walk than just me going da 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 like in slow motion. Yeah. So yeah. My friend William right now is at camp, so yeah. Okay. I'm almost at the place. Next place, sunflower field, because I'm pretty sure I need 600 honey, or 800, something like that, honey, to get the next backpack. Because the next scuba is like 1,000 something. So, yeah. Geez, that guy has a lot of bees. Also has a lion bee. And probably a dizzy bee. I don't know. I think he has a honey bee right there. I can't really see. I'll point because it's over the tree. Those are some sick bees, but I'm pretty sure they're like 50 tickets. And that's 50 honey that I'm getting. Yeah. Okay. Here's a sunflower field. So, wait, how do I get that? I'm guessing from a parachute. But, yeah. Oh, that guy's getting it. The white jelly. I'm coming. I'm gonna get that royal jelly. That's my quest today. Well, actually, my quest today was to collect 5,000 pollen. Oh, 5,000 pollen from sunflower field. But I collect 120, so that's fine for now. Because 5,000 pollen is a lot for now, because I'm a beginner again. Well, I played this before, and I was good. I was at stage 15, or, you know, that place right there. What? There's a red. Does that mean I can't go through it? Huh. Jump. Okay. Jump. The right time. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can make these jumps. I got this. No, I don't think it's possible. Guys, I don't think it's possible when it's glitchy like this. I need my ninja V so I can be faster. Okay. Oh my goodness! Leave me alone, please, Ladybug! Does it also show losing health? I'm pretty sure when you die, you lose all your pollen. Not your honey. Because that'd suck. Because in case you have like a million like this guy, but only have like that much pollen, which is still a lot. I'll take 5,000 pollen. It's not that much. Not much for him. Oh, yes! There were some codes. Promo codes. Pretty sure one is called Whoops. Is there? Or is that oval? Oh, that's not the mouse. There you go. That one? Yeah! Oh, yeah, I'm a panda bear. Oh, okay, I got haste. Let's see. I got this. Just jump. How long do I get it? Oh my goodness. High jumps too. I got this. Jump. Yes. No! Let me get up, please. Please. Even with the panda bear, I can't jump. No, my speed's almost out. No. I can't even get on the fourth platform. No, I'm not a panda bear anymore. No. Let me jump, please. No. Jump. Thank you. And now I'm finally jumping when my speed's almost out. And jump! It's so glitchy, I can't do it! Oh my goodness! Even with awesome codes like this, I can't do it. But I have 5,000 honey, that's good. Okay, let me just look this up. Codes for Bee Swarm Simulator. Bee Swarm. Hold on, let me just. Bee Swarm Simulator codes. Best Swarm Simulator codes? No! Bee Swarm. Bee Swarm. There we go. Simulator codes. Okay. Is it in the description? No. Next. Is it in the description? Is it? No. Well, come on. Do you have the description? Where is it? In the description. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Here we go. We got Buzz. I don't know if it needs to be capitalized, but nah. Okay. Cool. I got even more honey. That's cool. Did I get any royal jellies? I hope so. Whoa! I got a strawberry. Increases your bond with a bee by 25. I'm gonna use my blue boy. Okay, blue boy on my basic bee. Blue boy on my basic bee. There we go. Strawberry on my basic bee. Strawberry on my basic bee. Just gonna give all my strawberries to that basic bee. 121 out of 250. Oh man. Going back to back. No. Okay. I'm just gonna do the description in desk. Yes. This one. Okay. And the description. in the description. What? Is it in the description? No, it's not in the description. Description. Yes, in the description. Please. Please! Come on! Oh my goodness, how long does it take? I just want some codes. I want some codes! Okay. Is there codes? Come on. Come on. Okay. There's literally no descriptions that have it. So, fine. I'll just watch the video. Okay. Let's see. Well, the face cam is blocking it. The face cam is blocking it. How am I supposed to do that? Okay. Okay. So, I'm just gonna keep trying stuff, codes. Yeah. Seems about right. It's the same guy. The guy who's blocking it with the face cam. You can't see the codes on the top left if there's a face cam. Loan it. Live it. Have it. That doesn't sound right. Someone? Oh, here we go. Finally found one. Okay. Where was it? System? Okay, here we go. First one is... Well, this is not a... this is not a code video, but I'm getting codes so we can start this series if you guys want me to do the series. So, yeah. Here you go. Next one. What's the next one going to be? Connoisseur. Oh, the one that the guy says at the beginning, the black bear. I'm pretty sure he says, "Well, I'm a connoisseur," and I looked it up, but I didn't really need to because it said after the next time we talked, and yeah, and pretty much it's just he said, the black bear said, which means I know a lot about honey. But the actual thing is just pretty much know a lot about stuff. So yeah. Connoisseur. Okay, next codes. Codes. Next one, please. Crawlers. Crawlers. Okay. Next one, meow. No. Next one, nectar. Come on. Yeah! We got some honey. Geez, there's a lot of codes. Okay, we have roof. And we have wax. Yeah, just getting little tiny ones. But now I have 20,000 honey, so that's more than little. Accent master. Okay. Like that. No. Yes, please. Is that how you spell it? A-C-C-E-N-T capital M-A-S-T. A-C-C-E-N-T. Well, some of these didn't work, so let's try another one. Okay. Some of these codes, I'm pretty sure you have to be in the group, but surprisingly, actually, I don't think I am in the group. Not on this one. I'm pretty sure I am in William13367. It's my other account, which is not this one, so I don't think it'll work, but let's see. Do you have any codes for me? Skipping through the entire video. No, absolutely no codes. Oh my goodness. Wait, what was that? It's not doing any code. Okay, whatever. Let's see. Next one. Come on. So the guy did this, which was free royal jelly, but he didn't click on it. So I don't think that's real, but maybe it is. Nope. I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Let's see. Codes. Soup. Is that one? No. Wax. We already did that one. Roof. Cog. Nectar. Connoisseur. Another one. Free royal jelly 10. Here we go. See, invalid. Ha. Even it said it on his channel. Okay. Is that it? Are you gonna tell me if it is the one? Yes, we have already done Buzz. We've already done Carlos. You a liar, bruh? You a liar? Do you have any more code? No? Okay, so, okay. Next one. Only group members. I don't think I am. I'm a group member, but maybe I am. You never know. Oh, yes. There we go. I'm pretty sure I am not actually in the group, but you never know. You never know. So, hopefully. I really hope so, but I don't think so. Whoa! Yep, I am! Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Okay, scoop. Jeez, yes, this is always what I wanted. I wanted to be a bear. Okay, can I actually jump this time? Can I jump? I think I'm too fast this time, but I'm also slow at the same time. So it's like, what are you doing? How do I program this? And it won't work. Oh, not a bear anymore. Okay. Oh, jeez. I'm still fast. Okay. It's one, and jump! One, jump! Can I make it? Guys, I have made it! I got a royal jelly, guys. So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I did. It was a lot of fun. We finally got the royal jelly on the top. So if you guys want me to do another video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And comment down below if you guys want me to do anything on Roblox. Be like suggesting Project Pokemon or Pokemon Bond, the fake ones. But okay. Anyway, something like that. Hope you guys like this video. Adios, Octorios! Can I don't hold on.